Yo, what is up, boys? So in today's video, we are going to do an unboxing. This is something that I don't really do. Let me just take away the distractions. This video is going to be straight through. Of course, I'm going to edit it later on here and there. But I really wanted to make this video because I've got a package from a brand that hit me up a couple weeks ago. I guess they like my videos. I do a lot of grooming. And it's actually a brand that I've been using now for quite some time. I started using this brand before I started using Manscaped. But this one was one of the originals, and I stopped using it because there was a time where they stopped making a certain product that I like, but now they're back at it, and I'm super happy that they're back at it. And they hit me up and they got me some stuff, okay? What we're gonna do is a little bit of an unboxing to show you guys exactly what I got from this company. Now, don't look at my address. I'm actually gonna blur that out, but as you can see, I'm using a nail clip cutter to cut this. All right, boys, look at it. So we got some stuff. I'm gonna cover my address, but you can see Mike King, and I got it from the Brio product group. Guys, I've used this brand already before, and I loved it. It's one of the first ones when I was in deployment in the military. I used this shit, man. And this was like one of the best. Oh hell yeah! So you got some snap guards. What? And we also got some, we got a zero blade. Look at that. So this looks like it's gonna be a trimmer slash shaver. And this is another snap blade. And it looks like we got the Beardscape pen. Got a Beardscape trimmer. They sent me all this stuff for free. And if you hold it, it says 5 seconds to unlock. There we go. Y'all hear that? I'm not gonna use it yet because I might do it for another video, but it's nice and it's very lightweight. And it's already lubricated. It's got the little charger here. They also came with other stuff in here, so some cables just to charge it, and here's just looks like there's a brush and a couple more blades. I'm not gonna open it, but you know, it's just some replacements. And here is a guard case, snap guards. So there's like a little case which I'll unbox later. But guys, that's what I got, man. Shout out to Brio. They're the ones that sent me this stuff for free, and who knows, there might be a later sponsorship with this company. So I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.